Hi, my name is Miretta Sanchez, and I'll be going over the cycle of a butterfly with you. Butterflies are everywhere, but it's not very common for someone to know the actual life cycle of it. So I'm going to tell you. Some sites that I use are monarchbutterfly.com and monarchbutterflyusa.com. And let me tell you, I'm astounded at what I found out. I'll go over the 4 stages of a monarch butterfly, which is, the stages are different from other butterflies. These 4 stages are the egg, the larva, the pupa, and the butterfly. And now that I have given you an idea about what's going to be explained, I'll give you a rundown on the metamorphosis of it all. We'll start with the egg, the first stage. We'll look over here, and as you can see, we have the butterfly egg, which is on the plant. It gets applied with the fluid to make the egg stay, which this is actually the underside of the plant. It is white in color, as you can see, and it's actually the size of just one of these little things, a period on end of a sentence. A female can lay an egg up to 300 eggs in its lifetime. Now you will look in here. You will see this is the milkweed plant. This is the only plant that a monarch butterfly can actually lay its eggs on. And this is the only plant that the caterpillar will eat. These plants are very poisonous to animals. They usually don't kill them, but they'll make them very sick, and this will help them survive more because animals will stay away from them. This stage usually lasts about 6 days. After this stage has occurred, we'll go on to the second stage, of course, which is the larva. This is the caterpillar. There's a picture right here. They will eat its way out of the egg, and then it will turn around and eat the egg that it came out of. When it comes out of its shell, it will be 1 centimeter long. When it's fully grown, it will be 5 centimeters. This stage usually lasts up to 2 weeks, and something you may not know is that the egg, the caterpillar will shed its skin 5 times, kind of like a snake. These mini stages are called instars. After the 5th instar, the caterpillar will know to find a safe spot to attach itself to a silk-like mat where it will hang upside down. This next stage is called the pupa. It will turn into a beautiful jade color. Here's the stages. Jade color with gold markings. This then takes 24 hours for this case to harden, which makes it harder for animals to get into. As time passes, it becomes more transparent, and you will then be able to actually see the monarch butterfly in the pupa. Once it is able to come out, which usually takes about 2 weeks, it will crawl out and inflate its wings with the pool of blood that is actually in its abdomen, that is held in its abdomen, and the excess blood is then expelled. It will then rest, and it waits for its new wings to harden. This metamorphosis usually takes about 1 month for all these stages to pass. And if you're paying attention, which is the egg, the larva, the pupa, and the butterfly. Now that I've explained this to you, you may know it, but you might never understand it like me. But this is just another one of life's little mysteries. Thank you.